Right now, our music sentiment score is plus 0.19, which is a noticeable spike compared to the historical baseline. You might be wondering what's driving this increase. With 18 semantic clusters identified, it suggests a diverse range of emotional responses across different genres. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, giving you a nuanced understanding of how listeners are feeling about specific tracks or artists at this moment. Imagine using this insight to tailor your playlists or marketing campaigns, targeting genres that resonate more positively with your audience. If you want to dive deeper into how you can leverage this sentiment data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.